Injury made me a whole different person, a whole different animal on the court. It made me tap into a person that I didn't know I could. We all have dreams, but with those dreams comes challenges. And how do we face those challenges? I could have either let it break me or let it take me into a whole other person. And that's what I had to do. I was playing amazing, finishing the season, averaging like 24, 25 points. We were winning. Playoff game. First playoff game, man, was going great. I went up in the layup line and my knee buckled in midair. There was nothing I could do. I mean, it wouldn't move. It was just stuck. I had to pop it back in place, and it was over from then.
His knee was very swollen, difficult time ranging it. And so in our mind, we kind of knew, and on exam, we could tell that he had probably done some significant damage to his ligaments.
It was so much going through my head. I mean, I worked so hard to get to a certain point. I was a top 30 player in the country, number 3 point guard in the country. It's like everything is right in front of me. Like, you just got to finish high school out, pick the right college, play well, win, and you off to the pros. So I'm thinking like, man, I don't know if this is going to happen again.
In Meechie's knee, he had bucket handle tears of both of his meniscal cartilages, which is not great. So we knew with that, because they were both displaced, which is a pretty rare injury, that we wanted to kind of expedite his care and try and provide him with a stable knee, which is what the ACL reconstruction does, but also do surgery to try and preserve the joint.
From that point, rehab was like right in effect. Dr. Salada, Dr. Bruce was telling me, like, you really don't have time for pity. They were telling me, like, you could come back from this. Because of their words, because of their motivation, it gave me the strength to keep going. It gave me the strength to get through and take every rehab serious and not take any of this for granted, because later on, like now, I'm gonna look back and be like, wow, like, to be honest, I needed that. To have them in my corner as doctors, it was just more than like them doing surgery. It was a relationship.
Meechie made us look good, right? I mean, he's obviously, I think we gave him a very good surgery. I think we provided him with the highest level of rehab, but he took advantage of that.
From here, it's just, like I said, I always live by the motto, take one day at a time. That's where I'm at right now, is just to continue to get better and do whatever I can to help this Ohio State team win and, take my game to the next level. ACL was something that I never wished to happen, but because of the way it did, I met doctors and people that took my game, took my wisdom, took my knowledge, took the way I handle adversity to a whole nother level. And I'm just thankful for university hospitals and the doctors that are here.